Lesson 31, Technology and Gadgets.
What is your favorite gadget?
My favorite gadget is smartphone.
How has technology improved your life?
Technology has improved my life by technology has significantly improved life by enhancing communication.
What new technology are you excited about?
I am excited about AI features.
Lesson 32, Work and Career.
What do you do for a living?
I am a create website.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is become the web developer.
How do you manage work-life balance?
I manage work-life balance by taking breaks.
Lesson 33, Health and Fitness.
What do you do to stay fit?
I stay fit by getting enough sleep.
Do you follow a specific diet?
Yes, I follow a low-carb diets.
How often do you visit the doctor?
I visit the doctor a month.
Lesson 34, Education.
Where did you go to school?
I went to school at France.
What was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was history.
Do you think education is important?
Yes, I think education is important.
Lesson 35, Future Plans.
What are your plans for the next 5 years?
My plans for the next 5 years are to become rich.
Do you plan to travel in the future?
Yes, I plan to travel to Italy.
What skills would you like to learn?
I would like to learn English language.
Lesson 36, House and Home.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
How many rooms are in your home?
There are 5 rooms in my home.
What is your favorite room?
My favorite room is the bedroom.
Lesson 37, Transportation.
How do you usually get around? I usually get around by train. Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
What is your favorite mode of transportation?
My favorite mode of transportation is travel by train.
Lesson 38, News and Current Events.
How do you keep up with current events?
I keep up with current events by my teams.
What recent news story has caught your attention?
A recent news story that caught my attention is AI technology.
Do you think it's important to stay informed?
Yes, I think it's important to stay informed.
Lesson 39, Personal Development.
How do you improve yourself?
I improve myself by try everythings.
Do you set personal goals?
Yes, I set personal goals.
What is one personal goal you are working on?
One personal goal I am working on is education.
Lesson 40, Community and Volunteering.
Are you involved in your community?
Yes, I am involved in my community by volunteering.
Do you volunteer?
Yes, I volunteer at hospital.
Why is volunteering important to you?
Volunteering is important to me.
Lesson 41, Fashion and Style.
How would you describe your fashion style?
I would describe my fashion style as old.
Do you follow fashion trends?
Yes, I follow fashion trends.
What is your favorite item of clothing?
My favorite item of clothing is well-fitted pairs of jeans.
Lesson 42. Relationships.
Are you in a relationship? Yes, I am in a relationship. What you think is important in a relationship? I think respect is important in a relationship. How do you maintain a healthy relationship? I maintain a healthy relationship by understanding each other.
Lesson 43. Festivals and traditions.
What festivals do you celebrate?
I celebrate New Year's.
How do you usually celebrate it?
I usually celebrate it by my friends.
What is your favorite tradition?
My favorite tradition is Thingian.
Lesson 44. Weekend activities.
What do you usually do on weekend?
I usually playing football on weekends.
Do you prefer relaxing or being active on weekends?
I prefer relaxing on weekends.
What was the most fun weekend you ever had?
The most fun weekend I ever had was end of the month.
Lesson 45. Cooking and recipes.
What is your favorite recipe to cook?
My favorite recipe to cook is Italy style.
Do you like trying new recipes?
Yes, I like trying new recipes.
Where do you find new recipes?
I find new recipes from internet.